Mr. Ekemense is the treasurer of the Council of Igbo Communities in the UK. You are welcome, sir. Kana Toji. The next thing, Omaka Biko, let the children come and sing their welcome song.
Letting us down, don't worry.
Okay. But they were able to see me. You see, only Amadi, if I have them, but when the microphone will be all right. So next 2 years, Yalo, microphone are going to let it down. Because Omaka Ihiala, what about the car? Chubu goes slow. Come on, I can go. I'm going to chairman, the microphone, because when he was passing over the microphone to me, he specifically instructed that when it is time for the president's speech, that I should give the microphone back to him. So I salute. Special recognition, my good friends. The next item on the agenda is the President's speech. Welcome speech by the President. Please, can I have some audience? We need the chair.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, Akunne, Chief Launcher, President Emeritus, Dr. Kweke, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's with great pleasure that I welcome you all on behalf of Ihiala Community Association to this wonderful occasion. The Ihiala Community Association has prepared a packed evening of entertainment. Our aims tonight is twofold. One is to ensure that we have a thoroughly good and memorable time. The second is to elicit your help and support in raising funds for charitable projects here as well as in Nigeria. We have a project that is very dear to our hearts, and that is the care of destitutes in the leprosy clinic and treatment and rehabilitation center stationed in Okija. But it's not meant just for Okija people, it's for all the people in Anambra State within a certain distance to this center. We have supported this project in the past, and recently we sent a member of our association on a fact-finding mission. At some point during this evening, he will be telling telling you about what he saw and some of the people he met there. There is no need, it's telling you that their needs are terribly desperate indeed. We would like to reiterate that the principles of transparent accountability governs what we do in this association. This is going to be a very short speech indeed. All I would like to do is to appeal to all of you, please, to support us tonight, to donate generously, for God rewards a cheerful giver. Finally, you are very welcome to this evening of entertainment. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. May God bless you all.
Proper round of applause for the lady. Please well made. Thank you very much, Ms. Biennial. Ladies and gentlemen, President, members of the High Table, eminent Igbo personalities here present, ladies and gentlemen, Arabankels, I salute you. Thank you very much. I must say that I feel highly privileged and honored to be called upon by Ihiala people to chair this occasion. When I was told, I felt a bit flattered, but then I thought, if not, why not? I asked, what is the purpose once again for this fundraising occasion? I was told it's their usual biannual event through which they assist both the less privileged back home and those over here. I know in the past I've been told full stories of how they've assisted people back home. And today they again calling for your support. Ladies and gentlemen, I've looked around the high table here, I looked on the floor down there, and believe it or not, I am sure that this night, Ihiala community will raise minimum of 15,000 to 20,000 pounds based on the people I'm seeing this evening. And I call on everybody present here today, please, to dig deep into your pockets. Go as far as you can into your pockets and support this good cause. Also, this is to the Ihiala people, our hosts. It's okay asking your guests to dig deep into their pockets, but please remember that the level of hospitality you show to them will determine how generous they will be to you. Therefore, please, wherever anybody is, make sure that that person is well attended to in terms of what to eat, what to drink, and if the person's choice has run out, please offer them an alternative. Talking about Ihiala Community Association in the UK. Obviously, some of us have been around here in the UK for a few years, or even many years. And we've seen organizations come and go, so many of them, either due to one issue or the other. I happen to have been member of a number of them. But Ihiala Community Association has stood the test of time. It has survived, and it is down to the integrity and the quality of the members, their leaders and members alike, who all see issues from the same perspective and pull